Deep within the rugged, sun-drenched heart of Mexico, where ancient volcanic activity had sculpted the land into dramatic, towering cliffs and vast, sweeping plateaus, lay a hidden gem. This wasn't a place one stumbled upon by chance. It was a sanctuary, a whispered secret shared amongst those who sought true escape. For years, the land remained untouched, its raw beauty preserved by its remoteness, until two brothers, bound by a shared love for the untamed wilderness, ventured into its embrace. Their discovery was serendipitous, born from a passion for rock climbing that led them to scale the magnificent, imposing cliffs. As they ascended, the panoramic vistas unfolded before them, an endless expanse of verdant flora, the sky a vast canvas of cerulean blue, and the profound silence broken only by the whispers of the wind. They knew instantly that they had found something special, a place where the relentless hum of modern life could be silenced, and the soul could reconnect with its most primal self. A few years later, after carefully acquiring the land, they embarked on a thoughtful reforestation effort, laying the groundwork for what would become their ultimate retreat. The vision for Aculco House was clear from the outset, not just a structure, but a harmonious extension of the landscape. The brothers commissioned PPAA, an architectural firm known for its sensitive approach to design, with a singular directive: to create a holiday home that would engage in a reciprocal dialogue with its natural surroundings. The design process was a meticulous dance between human ingenuity and environmental reverence, prioritizing simplicity, minimal maintenance needs, and an intimate connection with the land. The goal was to craft a space that didn't just exist in nature but was intrinsically of it. The very essence of Aculco House was to be found in its materiality. Drawing inspiration and resources directly from the earth beneath its feet, the house was constructed with walls of quarried stone blocks from the immediate area, their rough-hewn textures speaking of the land's ancient history. Clay floors provided a cool, earthy foundation, while warm wood accents added a touch of organic warmth. Expansive glass panes served not as barriers but as transparent canvases, framing the breathtaking views and inviting the outside in. Crucially, each material was left in its raw, unadorned state, celebrating its inherent beauty and reinforcing the design's commitment to honesty and authenticity. Yet, the isolation that made Aculco such a perfect sanctuary also presented a formidable challenge during construction. The commitment to minimizing environmental impact meant that every logistical hurdle was amplified. Transporting labor and materials to such a remote site required innovative solutions and an unwavering dedication to the project's core principles. It was a testament to the shared vision of the brothers and the architects that they managed to navigate these complexities, ensuring that the construction process itself remained as gentle on the earth as the finished structure was intended to be. Today, Aculco House stands as a quiet testament to this vision. Its empty spaces are not truly empty, they are vessels, designed specifically to hold and amplify the ever-changing tapestry of the surrounding landscape. The sunrise paints the stone walls in hues of amber and rose, while the starlit nights transform the glass into a boundless observatory. It is a place where the distinction between inside and out blurs, where the raw beauty of nature becomes an integral part of the living experience. For the brothers, and for all who are fortunate enough to visit, Aculco House offers more than just a holiday. It offers a profound reconnection. It's a reminder that true luxury lies not in excess, but in the elegant simplicity of being fully present, immersed in the quiet grandeur of the natural world, far from the relentless pace of modern life. If you were inspired by Aculco House and its beautiful integration with the wild, hit that like button and let us know in the comments below what your dream nature retreat would look like. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos exploring unique spaces and the stories behind them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.